So how to fix 1010 connecting error? So finally, there are some interesting reviews and comments about this app, and people write that actually they just try it out, and if someone else in 1010 app, your friend, isn't online, it will just say connecting and not work. It only works when your phone is on. So basically, to fix that, in 1010 app, if you try to call someone, just make sure that their phone is on and they are logged in into the app. So basically, they only if they're online, it should work. If they're not online, probably it's not gonna work. But in 1010 app, it just shows online. In fact, this person is not online. So this is the issue here, and this is like a bit annoying bug, but yes, that's just what it is. I don't know like exactly though how it works. So let's say like you have a friend who has 1010 app, so their phone is on, but obviously if they deleted 1010 app, it will show you connecting bug. But if they installed 1010 app, basically I think then it kind of will start working. So the thing is like you need to have, but I don't know, like if they install 1010 app and not logged in, probably then it will also show a connecting bug. So basically you need to make sure that your friend has 1010 app and is logged in into their account, and then you won't have this issue.